Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. So you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So why hasn't your channel been monetized yet? The answer is twofold. First of all, once you've reached those targets, you need to go to the monetization section of the Creator Studio and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. There are several steps you'll need to follow at this point, but you should end up with a screen that looks like this. As you can see, reaching those fabled watch time, hours and subscribers is only half the story. YouTube will then review your channel activity to make sure it adheres to all the partner program policies, terms of service, spam policies and community guidelines. What does all that mean? Put simply, one big, long wait. This is a story now repeating itself thousands of times over, waiting for YouTube to review their channel. And what's YouTube's answer to all this? It will likely be several more weeks. If you're in a similar boat, let us know in the comments below.